Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited for today's unboxing video because I have 3 things to unbox and every single thing here I'm very hyped for. So let's just get into the very first parcel. So this one here is from Novel Ship, and if you guys have not heard of them before, they are Southeast Asia's largest marketplace to buy and sell sneakers, and they have a really good range on their site, so I highly recommend that you guys check them out. And I got a pair of sneakers from them. So let's just get into this box. So I've been wanting these dunks for a while now, and I'm sure you guys already know what it is. Well, you saw the title, so you know what it is. I do have a promo code with Novel Ship at the moment, which will give you $20 off your first purchase. So I'll leave it down below in case any of you guys end up picking anything up from their site. But they have a really good range, whether you're after like Yeezys, Jordans, Dunks, like Supreme, in terms of streetwear, Fear of God, like it's all there on their site. Which, by the way guys, I did not pick up any of the items from the Supreme Yoji drop. I'm thinking about picking up the crew neck because I think it looks really cute. So yeah, they have it on their site right now, so you guys should check it out. But let's just get into opening these dunks. So the dunks that I got is the Civilist Nike SB dunks. Let's just put this box away. And yeah guys, I'm super excited that I picked these up. Let me get the other side out so I can show you guys before we, get into these sneakers. So these dunks released at the end of last month, and I really wanted a pair. So of course I entered all the raffles here and got L's. So I'm glad that I managed to pick up a pair from Novel Ship, and as you guys can see, it looks like a very minimal monochromatic colorway. But what's really exciting about these sneakers is that the upper is constructed with a thermographic material, so it is reactive to heat. And so I have my hair dryer ready so I can show you guys what it looks like when you heat up the upper. Look at this. I feel like this is definitely like a very novelty thing, but I just love things like this. I don't own a sneaker that is heat sensitive. My hands are a little bit cold, so you can see that when I touch the upper, it turns black because yeah, it is reactive to heat, and I just think it's super cool. Obviously there are other details of the sneaker that is really nice because it is a collaboration with Civilist, and Civilist is a Berlin-based skate store, and this is actually their 3rd collab with Nike SB. They did have a pair of dunk highs in 2013, and in 2015 they did the River Spree pack, and this year they have the dunk lows, and I feel like this is definitely a super exciting collab. And you guys can see the sneaker is already changing back to black because obviously it's not very hot. I have not worn these on feet out of my apartment, so I don't know how that will react when I'm actually out in terms of how it would change color, but I just think it's a really cool concept. So in terms of the details of the sneaker, besides the fact that it has this thermographic upper, it does come with 3 different sets of laces. You guys can see there is a red, yellow and blue pair. I think for now I'm just gonna leave it with the black laces because I like how it looks very low-key when the upper isn't heated. And then when you look at the side of the sneaker, you can see that it has the Civilist branding here, and with the insoles it does have that multicolored thermal imaging pattern with the Civilist and Nike SB branding. And overall I just think this is a really cool collab. And also with this release they did have a special box version, and the special box came with a box that was heat sensitive as well. And you guys know I love me a special box, but yeah, it's okay. I'm pretty happy that I just have the regular box with these ones because we are here for the sneakers, and I cannot wait to wear these because honestly guys, I have not been wearing any of my new pickups. I just wear them around at home pretending like I have somewhere to go. But I'm super happy that I picked up these dunks. I also really want the Medicom dunks, but I ended up going for these ones because I just think it's just, the upper is just really cool, and I'm just so entertained. Okay, let's just do that again, okay? that is so fun. I feel like I'm gonna spend the rest of the day just like sitting here and like just looking at these sneakers. I really love the thermal imaging pattern that's revealed when you heat up the sneakers. And I think I've seen a few videos on Instagram where people microwave their dunks. I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I just really think they're cool, and I feel like I've been saying cool too many times. Anyway, in terms of sizing, I find that the Nike SB Dunks fit true to size, so I just went for my usual size, which is a men's US 6, and they fit really good. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the Civilist Dunk, but I really love these. Like, I'm so excited that I finally have these in my collection. Moving on to the next pair of sneakers, I have the Nike Dunk Highs in the Spartan green colorway, and this one dropped a few days ago, and I also really love them. I need to stop saying this. Everything that I'm unboxing, obviously, I really love. But yeah, like I said, these dropped a few days ago. I already posted a photo on Instagram, and I feel like these look super great on feet. And the Michigan colorway just dropped yesterday as well, but I could not get my hands on a pair, and I actually think the Michigan colorway looks super good. They have it on the Novel Ship site, so I am going to check that out after this video. But for now, let's talk about the Spartan green colorway. I think it is a super clean colorway. This is an extension of the Be True to Your School pack, and it definitely looks very similar to the pine greens that dropped in 2008, and I'm really happy that I managed to pick up a pair of these. In terms of sizing, I got these in a men's 6.5, which is half a size up from my true to size, because for some reason, like all my dunks that are not SB dunks, I just go half a size up, so I don't know. I feel like that fits good. So yeah, I think you can either go true to size or you can go half a size up, but these feel really good on feet. The leather on the upper is really soft. I've been really enjoying all the dunks from the Be True to Your School pack, and even though I picked up a lot of them, I wanted to show you guys the ones that I wear the most, which is the Syracuse colorway as well as the Kentucky. I think all of them are really nice in their own ways, but for some reason I wear these the most. I feel like the orange and white is just such a good color combination. These go so well with like olive pants or like okay, goes well with anything. I think the dunks are super versatile and you pretty much can't go wrong there. It's such a timeless silhouette, and this is my very first pair of Dunk Highs, and I think they look really great on feet. And with my on feet footage, I'm wearing it with my Cold Wall beige track pants, and I think it goes really well together, and I can't wait to actually wear these out of my apartment. But I'm super glad that I picked this up. I really want the Michigan colorway, so I'm definitely going to look into that. But yeah, that is pretty much the Spartan green dunks. I think they're really great. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have to pick between the Spartan green or the Michigans, which one would you go for? But I just want both. But anyway, okay, let's move on. I don't know where to put my sneakers. Let's move on to the very last box, and this one here is a Kaws figure, and I can't remember when I picked this up. Probably a month ago now, but I'm super excited for this. I don't know what it looks like. I know what it is, but I just don't know what it looks like. So let's just go ahead and open this up. Wow, why am I so bad at this? Let me show you guys. So, there you go. So this is part of the What Party drop, and it is the Chum. And this is what it looks like. And this is the first time that I managed to cop something on the Kaws One site. Every other time I've been just, I don't know, I feel like I'm relatively fast when it comes to copying things online, but for some reason I've never had any luck. But I'm so glad that I managed to pick this up. So this is the Chum, and they did have it in a few different colorways. And I actually wanted the white one, but it sold out super quickly. And my second choice, wow, it is very bright. So you guys can see this is in the yellow colorway. It did come in white, black, pink, orange, and yellow. And like I said, I wanted to go for the white one, but it sold out super quickly. The white and black colorway were the first ones to sell out. And so I just went for the yellow, which I think looks quite cute. And let me just take him out of this packaging. By the way, guys, I have one more that's on its way. I picked up the space one as well, and that just got shipped yesterday. I think I got the email, so I'll definitely unbox it here on my channel. But this is what the Chum looks like. Look at him. He's so cute, but I feel like he's a little bit smaller than, let me bring my BFF. He is a little bit smaller than the BFF, but I feel like they look so cute together. Look at the color. I'm really glad I managed to pick up the yellow. Obviously the white would have been nice, but I'm not complaining. And yeah, I am definitely going to be displaying him with the rest of my Kaws. And by the way, I've already done a Kaws collection video if you guys are interested. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to use my promo code if you do end up buying anything from the novel ship site. And just to let you guys know, it is an affiliate code. So if you do end up using that code, I do earn a very small commission. So thank you in advance if you do decide to use my code. But if not, I still recommend that you guys check out the novel ship site because they have such a good range of like sneakers and streetwear, and whether you're after the most recent drops or even older stuff, they pretty much have it all on their site. And they also have some Kaws, so I highly recommend that you guys check it out. And also you guys can be assured that everything on their site is 100% authentic, so don't stress about that. And yeah, I'm gonna set this guy down because I feel like I'm just like swinging him around, so I don't want to drop him. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what is your most recent pickup. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye. Okay, I have 3 things. Oh my god. Largest. Can you guys hear that? Anyway, such a great range of items on their site, whether you're after, I should not be pointing this Stanley knife at you guys. I know you guys are going to ask where my t-shirt is. Why can't I talk? Also, I know you guys are going to ask where my t-shirt is from, and this is part of the Grateful Dead Chinatown Market collab. I think it's sold out on their site now, but yeah, I think it's really cute. I'm wearing this in a size medium. The Civilist Nike SB Dunks. Really wanted a pair. Well, I feel like I've been wanting, wait, what? But out of all of them, oh my god, I just dropped it.